Blockchain technology, a term that's been buzzing around for a while now, often sparks curiosity and a fair bit of confusion. You might have heard it in the context of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but what exactly is blockchain and how does it work? Let's dive into this fascinating topic and break it down into understandable pieces. Imagine a digital ledger, like a notebook that everyone in a group can see and use, but no one can alter or destroy. This digital ledger is the essence of blockchain. It's a system that records information in a way that's secure, transparent, and decentralized. But what does that mean exactly? Let's start with decentralization. In traditional systems, like banks or online payment platforms, there's usually a central authority that oversees and verifies all transactions. This central authority is responsible for ensuring that everything runs smoothly. However, this also means that if there's an issue with this central authority, the whole system can be compromised. Blockchain, on the other hand, removes the need for a central authority. Instead, it operates on a peer-to-peer network, meaning that the control is distributed among all the users in the network. This decentralized nature is one of the main reasons why blockchain is considered secure and resilient. But how does this decentralized system ensure that transactions are valid and accurate? Enter the concept of consensus mechanisms. In a blockchain network, before any transaction is added to the ledger, it needs to be verified by the network. This is done through various consensus mechanisms, the most common being proof of work and proof of stake. Let's take a closer look at proof of work, which is famously used by Bitcoin. In this system, network participants, known as miners, compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first one to solve the puzzle gets to add the new transaction or block to the blockchain and is rewarded with cryptocurrency. This process is energy intensive and requires significant computational power, which is why you might have heard about the environmental concerns surrounding Bitcoin mining. On the other hand, proof of stake, used by Ethereum for instance, works a bit differently. Instead of miners, there are validators. Validators are chosen based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake or lock up as collateral. The more coins you stake, the higher the chance you'll be selected to validate transactions and earn rewards. This method is generally more energy efficient than proof of work. Once a transaction is verified and a new block is added to the chain, it's nearly impossible to alter. Each block contains a unique code called a hash, and it also carries the hash of the previous block. This linking of blocks creates a chain, hence the name blockchain. If someone tries to tamper with a block, the hash would change, breaking the chain and alerting the network to the tampering attempt. This feature makes blockchain incredibly secure against fraud and hacking. Now let's talk about transparency. Since blockchain is a public ledger, anyone with access to the network can view all transactions. This transparency ensures accountability because everyone can see the flow of transactions, making it difficult for dishonest activity to go unnoticed. However, while transactions are transparent, they are also pseudonymous. This means that while you can see the transaction details, you don't necessarily see the identities of the people involved, offering a level of privacy. Beyond cryptocurrencies, blockchain has numerous applications. For instance, in supply chain management, blockchain can track products from origin to consumer, ensuring authenticity and reducing fraud. In the healthcare sector, it can be used to securely store patient records, ensuring they are only accessible to authorized personnel. Even in voting systems, blockchain can provide a secure and transparent way to verify votes, potentially reducing election fraud. As you can see, blockchain technology is more than just a buzzword. It is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize various industries by offering a secure, transparent, and efficient way to handle data and transactions. However, it's essential to note that while blockchain offers many benefits, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Implementing blockchain technology requires careful consideration of the specific needs and challenges of each application. In conclusion, blockchain works by recording data in a decentralized, secure, and transparent manner, using consensus mechanisms to validate transactions and cryptographic hashes to ensure data integrity. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovative applications of blockchain, shaping the future of how we handle and secure information. Thank you for watching, and if you found this explanation helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more engaging and educational content.